how to rename a primary column on a board in Monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can rename the primary column on a board. So in order to do this, just follow the steps that I do in this video and you'll be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com. Once when we will be logged in, you can see that you will be redirected to this home page and there are many other boards here and here. So let's just open this board, and here you can see that my primary column is work. And I can't rename it even if I double click on it, even if I click these arrows right here, it's not going to work out. Even if I right click, it's not going to work out. So what we can do, we can click on these three dots right here, and then we can go to settings, and then we need to come here, change item terminology. So let me just click it. Here you go. So the name of my current primary column is works, but I can change it to any of these mentioned here, like items, employees, leads, creative, tasks, budget, campaign, project, clients, or I can use my own custom column name. So let's just change it to creatives or tasks and change. And here you go. It's successfully changed. And that is how you actually change the primary column if you're working on Monday.com. So you can see this has been changed for all the sections that you have. And for example, if I want to add a new section, then name it AAA, just for an example, and do this. So here you can see, even for this new section, I have this taskbar or task column right here. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel as well to see more content like this. I'll definitely see you in the future upcoming videos.